Hello value family, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you on how to make this high protein salad. This salad does not only look good, it is so satisfying and it is so filling. Guys, even though you don't like salad, just keep watching because this is not the type of salad you make on a regular basis. This is the real deal, and to make this, these are the ingredients you'll be using. The first thing on our list is the cabbage. I already washed and shredded all the ingredients. Here we have our already shredded carrot, hard-boiled eggs. I used three. We have our tomatoes. I've already cut this. We have onions. See, guys, you need to try this. Yes, we have onions. The red onions. We're using that. Our cucumber, we have already cut that one, and we have our avocado pear. See, guys, don't forget your sardine, and I'll be using this title. In your bowl now, you're just going to layer all these ingredients. I've already cut this off camera so that this video won't be unnecessarily long. So I've just already added in the cabbage. I'll follow it with carrots. See, you have to layer this so that it will look so attractive. You know what they say about the eyes eating first, right? So that is it, guys. The next is the cucumbers. So I'm just going to pour in the cucumber, go on now adding the diced tomatoes. See, guys, you can decide to deseed your tomatoes. That's up to you. So I've added in the avocado pear. Go on now and add in your hard-boiled eggs, followed with your red onions. See, guys, you need to try this out. Follow with your red onions. And the last thing we are going to be adding in now is the sardine oil. First of all, drizzle the sardine oil over the salad before you proceed now to add the sardine pulp. If you don't like sardines, you can use tuna for this recipe. That's also up to you. So guys, and that is it. We have this very yummy and delicious salad. This is a high protein salad. It's very satisfying and it is very filling. So the next now we are going to be making now is the dressing for this salad. And my dressing for this is just a mixture of mayonnaise, full cream milk, black pepper, and honey. Mix all this together and drizzle over this. See, guys, you need to try this recipe out. So this is what I mixed together for this. I'm just going to pour it over the salad. Just pour the entire thing. You have to be very generous when you are doing that because you want it very creamy and tasty too. And that is it, guys. This is what you have. You can't serve anyone this salad and they'll reject it with an excuse of I don't like salad because this is not the regular one. And to serve this, you don't mix everything at the same time so it does not get bad. Just scoop each of them into your bowl and mix into the bowl, and that is it, guys, just like I am doing. And that is it, guys. It's that easy. Just mix everything together and enjoy. See, if you're on a weight loss journey or you're just watching your diet this season, like me, see, you need to try this recipe. You will eat it without feeling guilty, and it's going to keep you full all through the day. Like it's going to keep you full all through the day, guys. You need to try this out. And thank you for sticking with me to the end. I appreciate it, guys. Just give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. I'll see you guys next time.